So I think the partnership between Bombay Chamber and UK IERI is path-breaking. In many ways, it is very pioneering, and I hope many other Chamber of Commerce follow that. It is important to build this kind of cultural and innovation bridge and entrepreneurship bridge between the two countries. And these are the industry and trade association which between both the countries which have to go out and take a lead and facilitate for Indian startups looking to expand in UK, and also the UK entrepreneurs and startups looking to expand in India. So great show, Bombay Chamber. Thank you. So I would say that UK colleges, especially the one which are supported by Belmont, is not just desirable but also critical given the global nature of the economy now, and given the very strong economic ties that India and UK enjoys with each other, also the cultural ties historically that India and UK enjoys with each other. India being the second largest English-speaking homogeneous market, and UK being the cradle of the English culture, I think are ideal partners. And there could be structured program run between Belmont and, for example, companies like Chatur Ideas working with the chambers. And I think these programs will facilitate many more students who want to come here in India to give themselves an exposure, want to come and learn about Indian culture, Indian startup, Indian markets, and likewise for Indian students who want to go out and intern in UK and get exposure to the UK markets. So I think Bombay Chamber is doing a great yeoman job by inviting Chatur Ideas to partner with them in terms of supporting entrepreneurs. It is important and critical that entrepreneurs and SMEs which are associated with Bombay Chamber of Commerce get the exposure, cross-border exposure. The current event which you're hosting with UK chambers and association, I think will serve as a very good milestone for entrepreneurs and startups looking to expand in UK. And same way, similar structured program can be formed in partnership with companies like Chatur Ideas to go out and actually create a boot camp of 2 weeks, either in London or in Silicon Valley or in New York or other global centers, because that exposure is going to be very critical for the entrepreneurs and startup to survive and thrive and to scale, and they'll learn a lot from the fellow entrepreneurs, mentors, private equity, VC firms and others whom they will meet during those 2-week boot camps.